Hanan issue no what the chiri pa.
Makankan.
Then I'll bet me catching the Attorney General by public disclosure before going to court, no?
Me wahu yeah, they be make us I mean you say you every boga side.
Okay.
Office Warango. Any office of the special prosecutor you make they be make us say. Omu ya paparazzi.
Omu ya paparazzi.
Paparazzi executives and appointees.
The Attorney General.
Yes, of course.
Or your paparazzi then.
Nanka.
Paparazzi Attorney General. No, I want you to make the
yes, my repeat. Some in Strobia. I know I'm doing what Beko a yoko and I say
okay.
Well, I just Emma make us on. The first year by or see oral for. I'm more on information be bria.
Sure.
Obit me a pinning crop for I accuse you. Only for the deputy to to say most of the information manya no omuntim eni nyina so one dem channel it me can say normally no attorney general should be heading court but not in public because yes anwa do what he yeah say see a change charge sheet nin kikaye you don't come feel say me no be na adwuma no yi now I court watertight, airtight. Wow, because me sure say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Crow, he will not be happy with idea Abbey. Because me tea oral some see 20 something billion. Me say, hey, we are sick and fambra. Say NDC or MPP or CP, then PPP penny see you know. Because who said the oral for my hope no, me can say and they call IMF boom. Young call IMF boom. Inti bibi ni a say yenhwe na me oka bibi kra me bibi kakra. You don't bring if a person is guilty of something or maybe alleged to have done something, you don't bring his religion inside. Say a Muslim bapa who a designer bags to say 60 something. Is that your business? That is petty. What would they mention? Petty.
The Attorney General petty.
Of course.
By saying all those things.
Of course. Nipa no waye bonia emfa ho se we criminal we Christian we jinsin we traditionalist so go according to charges no a obema no emfa say bia we say identity no wo say dabi by so say no man ka say bia Hanan me share no once boy airport tamale enye obi a me no adi nkoma minim de wo ye eno asem nim so ba fast stop and I see why I say. And on this statement, I say any attention has been drawn to say. Into mbef kwa office or court. But adia ya. I say, I mean, who be social media.
Hanan or the statement about say, there's some Attorney General can in
Well, into what I say, you're no cray. Train, mammy, because me of the view say, me. Any corrupt person in this country wafa isika enya kwan pasubia yanji because yentimi nja ye nchirima ne ka pepepepe ye wukura na say the yemne mu kwa no mo kese say ya ebedi enim no ya nya de pa
ba Hajia say uka say only Attorney General enya adwen say obey public disclosure before going to court. You don't think, sir, he was only alleging and to giving information to Ghanaians?
Alleging no Americano.
Giving information to Ghanaians.
Attorney General, dear. Attorney General, court no be kwa kawasemu.
But he can give information to
whom?
Ghanaians. Yes.
Let's say be a crossing way, ni way in Kahua. How will the public look at you? Me busa. How will yen timemufana express saying yebe hu yebe feel? Because what become A, B, C, D. A, B are 10, 5 na no cray, 5 no cray. How can you redeem yourself by giving the public A, B are asema and yenina na accurate? That is where I'm coming from. One dimension. And come expect to say Ayine say he's one of the best law lecturers in this country.
Sure.
Ni documents and ni papers.
The papers.
Say me buy a lawyer. Nguma bia amount for edi suya emra. One dimension into onimra no inside out. He shouldn't be pushed by a bia one said even there was an allegation say first press conference now he was misled. Hey, he didn't come to deny that one. One was make us say Dr. Hayine want to know the charge sheet na BB. Oh, you can even make a public disclosure without going into the detail. One of them. Okay. Which may a public disclosure. My facts and figures be. I'm going to court. Journalists will say facts. They perceive. Okay, after the court proceedings, I'll brief you on what is going on.
But a full disclosure.
Yes, but the full disclosure no. One here because any no say any no cray. Afe no anywhere against.
That one is yes, sure.
One but say a court no be di asem no. Court no be di asem no because who here now who exposing nipa no to public ridicule now part of public opinion. Let's say be I make us a 10, 5 and 6 na abemwa 4 no how can you explain to us say we a mistake na?
I think but also this practice no Hajia, have you checked whether it is done in other jurisdictions
well man check it.
Yes.
Man check it but
why you come and give information?
Adia emame alarm ne say. Un say tema oral buy no. Ono na be kan say oral am no enough information. Enough information. In some instances, almost to jail people cry. But court na jail you. Attention, Robert me akwaka wasem. And they facts and figures na dey ejuma court to. And you say bia ejuma adua obe cut aka wo press conference na court di be ejuma. And na court di press conference ye ejuma. There be omo the facts sheets na odo be to omo ni mo no. No more omo plus and minuses. That is how I want it to be. Bia pressure from Nkrofo ama me hu say obi kra be kan say or attorney general antimi angeli Nkrofo a one way ya they will lose hope in the current government. Attorney general cannot just go in jail without facts. In tanka say omo be encouraging say he should hurry up with his investigation
because the meaning say and file charges against
okay one file or file so almost lawyers.
Yeah.
Anameboa. Na yanko pinting wo courtroom. Because we are interested in this case. Because passe Hanan wa fasa sikano. And the sanke yasem kesiye.
But me now say Hajia. No, this are alleged.
Me adia emma me nya happy. To say personal here the person to say
your personal person.
What bags. As a crimony. Now what does crimony got to do with that one? God damn it,
religion no.
No, don't bring the religion inside. Sana among for me two bomb I see terrorists. Even we are almost see a friend of
Sir Cramonia wako top bags.
What is wrong with that? What is wrong with that?
This has some no kind of one can.
There be one can ye. One can ye.
And
what religion no free.
And what would you expect him to do?
Ebia wako bags bebrebe won the ebia osirasi kan na the toy. And they are nothing. Because say one is a criminal ekita sister something. I don't know I don't say
ebia na onim say enkramofo na ajameba.
Baba me dem ahumi bags.
There be ajameba. Ebia onim say enkramofo ma you live by certain standards. And your fee say so standards, no? That
shall not judge. He's not supposed to judge.
He's not supposed to judge.
Only why I make us ano.
Yeah, I don't know.
Politics. Ewo krum hano. Ya pesi yem for religion brim. Religion brim. Me can be crowd one of our platform. I raise a red flag, and I'm going to challenge that person. And a man to me way, and a tribe went to me way. Young Jan because one tribe cannot win an election in this country.
Hajia, John Isaac, on Facebook, be trainer. Techman.
Hey, John. O Techima ampa. Me say reorganization team no mo ko share omo nyina e na omo so atimi aka reorganization team no dia omo expect say party betimi aye na ya fire ntuma pa.
Odo se CPP no obo ejuma
ho. On me body.
O body.
Me body. And we are solid.
Very solid.
Wa hu wanyo bia Anka young man say. That's why I respect the young people in the CPP. They say the me time I joining CPP. Now me very young. Me ka o man penyunko for say, small girl, what are you doing in this old people's country? Tell my Great Alliance. Great Alliance.
I remember.
Kufoni aka man tunyuma ye na ye nim kufoni aka want to my nyehi ye na ye tinka bonasi ye bezi wenchida ye fre won say na just ye fre won kufoni aka wona wozimpa nti ebi no MPP for no mo nimi papa no mo ye ye de abobio
aja me da se na me aja me da
nyuma ma me voice easy
aja me da se we grateful for the song that be come by to one dey be amaboa